In this video, we're counting down the top 5 products in this category, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1. Each item is reviewed for performance, usability, and overall value, with the top-ranked choice revealed at the end. You can find links to all the featured products in the description below for easy reference. Ranked at number 5 on our list, the Nutribullet Personal Blender is a solid entry-level option for everyday blending needs. Its main strengths are simplicity and consistency, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, and light food prep without complicated settings. The compact design also helps save counter space and supports quick, single-serve use. One technical feature that adds real value is the 600-watt motor, which provides enough power to blend fruits, vegetables, and frozen ingredients into smooth textures efficiently. Overall, this blender delivers dependable performance for daily routines and suits users looking for a straightforward, easy-to-maintain solution for personal blending tasks. Ranked at number 4 on our list, the Magic Bullet Blender is a compact and versatile option for quick food prep and single-serve blending. Its key advantages are ease of use and flexibility, allowing users to prepare smoothies, sauces, dips, and simple meals with minimal setup. The included cups double as serving containers, which helps reduce cleanup time and supports a faster routine. One technical feature that adds real value is the 250-watt motor, which delivers sufficient power for everyday blending, chopping, and mixing tasks. Overall, this blender is well suited for users who want a straightforward, space-saving solution that handles basic kitchen needs efficiently and consistently. Ranked at number 3 on our top 5 list, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender stands out for its strong performance in a small footprint. It is well suited for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen blends, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The main benefits are fast blending and on-the-go convenience, as drinks can be prepared and taken directly in the same cup. One technical feature that adds clear value is the 700-watt motor, which provides enough power to handle ice and frozen fruit with consistent results. Overall, this blender is a solid option for users who want reliable blending power without the size and complexity of a full countertop system. Ranked at number 2 on our list, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a strong choice for everyday kitchen blending. It delivers smooth, consistent results for smoothies and frozen drinks while remaining simple to operate. The glass jar adds durability and stability, making it suitable for regular use without feeling bulky. One key benefit is its ability to handle ice and tougher ingredients evenly, reducing the need to stop and stir. A technical feature that adds real value is the Wave Action System, which continuously pulls ingredients toward the blades for more uniform blending. Overall, this blender balances power, capacity, and ease of cleaning for reliable daily performance. Ranked at number 1 as the best overall choice, the Ninja Professional Blender is built for users who want powerful, consistent results. It excels at blending smoothies, crushing ice, and handling frozen ingredients with ease, making it suitable for both everyday use and larger batches. The large pitcher supports family-sized servings, while the simple controls keep operations straightforward. One key benefit is its ability to deliver smooth textures quickly, even with tough ingredients. A technical feature that adds real value is total crushing technology, which drives the blades to break down ice and whole fruits efficiently. Overall, this blender combines capacity, strength, and reliability into a well-rounded countertop solution. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.